26 reasons your website isn't ranking well. Improving a website's search engine ranking involves numerous factors. Below are 26 common reasons your website may not be performing as expected in search engine results pages, SERPs. 1. Content doesn't match search intent. Search engines prioritize content that aligns with the user's search intent. If your content doesn't address what users are looking for, it won't rank well. Ensure your content answers the queries users are typing into search engines. 2. No/poorly written meta descriptions. Meta descriptions provide a brief summary of your web page content. Poorly written or missing meta descriptions can negatively impact click-through rates, CTR, reducing your page's visibility in SERPs. 3. Non-optimized images and videos. Images and videos that are not optimized can slow down your site, affecting load times and user experience. Use appropriate file formats, compress media files, and include alt text for images. 4. Lack of valuable, in-depth content. Thin content that lacks depth and value won't satisfy user queries. Comprehensive, well-researched content that offers real value will perform better in search rankings. 5. Plagiarized or duplicate content. Search engines penalize plagiarized or duplicate content. Always create original content and use tools to check for plagiarism. Duplicate content within your site can also cause issues. Use canonical tags to resolve this. 6. Incorrect use of canonical tags. Canonical tags help prevent duplicate content issues by indicating the preferred version of a web page. Incorrect use can confuse search engines, leading to ranking penalties. 7. Missing or duplicate meta tags. Meta tags, including title tags and meta descriptions, are crucial for SEO. Missing or duplicate meta tags can harm your SEO efforts. Each page should have unique, descriptive meta tags. 8. Lack of social media presence. Social signals can indirectly affect your search rankings. A strong social media presence can increase visibility, drive traffic, and improve your SEO. 9. Lack of fresh, regular content. Regularly updated content signals to search engines that your site is active and relevant. Stagnant content can lead to lower rankings. Aim to publish new content consistently. 10. Missing or duplicate title tags. Title tags are a significant ranking factor. Missing or duplicate title tags can confuse search engines and users. Ensure each page has a unique, relevant title tag. 11. Insecure website, non-HTTPS. Search engines prioritize secure websites. An HTTPS connection ensures data security and privacy, improving trust and search rankings. Ensure your site uses HTTPS. 12. Thin or low-quality content. Content that provides little to no value can harm your SEO. High-quality, informative content that addresses user needs will perform better.